Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert more columns or how to add more columns on your table in your Canva docs on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add more columns on your Canva docs on your computer, just going to show. So in this table there's only total of only 2 columns, but I just need total of 5 columns in this table. So how to add the columns? So this is a first column and this is a second column. So I just need to add 5 columns. You can have this option. This is for moving the table. Just click on the any column first and you have this three dot option. Click on this three dot option and you have option to add column. Click on this, which will add the column here. If you just need to add a column near the second column, just click on the three dot option and just click on the add column. So this is how you just add more columns on your table in your Canva docs. It's so simple. You can just easily add the columns where you just needed. So you just need to just click on the column first. Inside any column you just need to add, and you have this three dot option. Click on this and click on the add column. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.